Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Today we're going to do a walk around of our Gladiator and give you our April 2020 update. Now we've done a ton of this Gladiator, so we're going to show you what we've done, so let's walk around. So starting up front, we do have the rough country bumper on here. This is a mid-width that includes pods on the side as well as a 20-inch in the center here. I really loved installing this bumper, and we plan on putting a rough country winch in there to really match it up and make it really capable of what it is doing. Now I like putting on the bumper because it includes everything you need. All the light bars, everything, including the D-rings, are all included with the kit, so you can just bolt it up and be good to go. Plus these lights are super bright. I mean, we have them hooked up to our aux 1 and aux 2 on the factory switch, and they're super bright at night. Now speaking of lights, we did replace the headlights with some Oracle Oculus bi-LED headlights. Now these headlights feature a bi-LED as well as a projector style in the center as well as a halo light around them. So they're feature packed and they're a great option if you do have the standard halogen or you have the LEDs and you just like this design a little bit more. That's pretty much it on the front end. You can see we got the windshield folded down too. We got the top and doors off as well. But the front end, we are hoping to put a winch in here, and you know us here at CJ Off-Road, we'll be replacing these bumpers, putting all sorts of stuff on there. As soon as we get them available, we'll just keep installing stuff on here to update it and make it look cool up front. So our Gladiator's made a few drastic changes from a couple months ago. We installed a 6-inch rough country lift on here. That's right, a 6-inch kit, so this thing is really up in the air. Then we finished that off with a set of 37-inch Ironman all-country tires on some KMC wheels. Now that really picked it up and made it look nice, but we didn't stop there. We also changed the interior up a little bit and added a set of these Covercraft Carhartt seat covers in the gray finish. So that's really gonna help protect it when we're out on the trail getting muddy, dirty, sandy, anything that we are. Hopping in and out of here, we're not gonna have to worry about ruining our seats. We also added a set of these N-FAB steps a while ago, and now that we have a 6-inch kit, it really makes it easy to get in and out of here, plus it gives the Jeep an aggressive stance. Now with that being said, let's move on to the rack where probably one of the biggest changes actually happened. So on the back here, what I was talking about was the new PUTCO Adventure Tech rack, which we installed. Now the reason I took the top and doors off is because I wanted to see how all this looked when you had it all removed. It honestly isn't that hard to remove the hardtop either. What we had to do is kind of walk it over to the one side and then pull it off. But this thing is super beefy, and you can see with that 6-inch lift, it is definitely high up in the air. Now you can put all sorts of stuff on here, including a rooftop tent. You can put your Rota packs on the side. You can put some Max Tracks, anything that you want, and it is super durable, super tall. I really love the way that this looks, and it changed the entire look of our Gladiator. Plus, I was so surprised at how well it actually matches the roll cage when we have everything off here. It looks like it could be something from the factory. So last thing we did after we installed the lift kit, these giant 37-inch tires, was replace the brakes. Now we installed a set of these Alcon front brakes that include the calipers as well as brand new rotors. These things are absolutely incredible. When you're driving down the road and slamming on the brakes if you need to, these things will stop on a dime and really help you out. Plus, it doesn't hurt that they were red powder-coated calipers, which really makes it match onto our Jeep really well. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much an update for April 2020. Now, most of you know sitting at home that we do have the coronavirus that's going across our country, and it's really changing a lot of things up. A lot of our vendors and things like that are having to close, not being able to ship out, so you will see parts being added to this just a little bit slower. But once we're up and ready to go with all of our vendors pitching in, this thing's gonna be an absolute monster, even bigger than it is gonna be right now. Now with that being said, CJ Pony Parts is still open for business, so if you want to buy stuff on our website, it's going to ship out to you right away and get right to your door. So if you are stuck at home quarantined, make sure you stay safe and stay home. And we've got pretty much everything for your build, whether it's Mustang, Jeep, truck, or anything that you're driving, you can find something here at CJ Pony Parts. Till next time, guys, I'm going to hop in this Gladiator, give it a little drive with the top and doors off, and I'll see you out on the trail.